And also on the going back to the website question, Nyall, I often see Amazon come back with a statement. You need to show on your website your product with the packaging, the logo, and the UPC or EAN number. Not everybody does that. What was your recommendation on that?
Yeah, so since you're not using the website for selling the product, then we recommend just, getting a generic site up pretty quick with WordPress, and just screenshots are often enough to suffice because you're not having the whole back-end shopping.
Yep.
You don't want to spend that time and the sort of ongoing costs with setting up, your website on a platform. So WordPress is often a quick go-to just to get the website.
Just get something basic up, sure. All right, that sounds good. How do we work with you? How does everybody get hold of you? I know we're going to have a link below in the video, so we're going to click that. But is it a case of we can just reach out to you? I know you're going to sort everything out for the Gorillaz, so John and Brendan, you can look after that for us. But I'm sure we're going to have a link, maybe here, somewhere below the video. Once this is published, you can click on that. But basically, you will look after us, Nyall.
Yeah,
that's basically what we're asking, yeah?
So I'd be more than happy to address any concerns personally, and you can just email me at trademarkraft.com. So any email at trademarkraft.com will ultimately come to me, but you can order directly through the site if you want to get started on a trademark right away. And we'll put the details down below as well. I had them on the last slide for you too. But we've been working with a lot of Amazon sellers, and we can do that part of the trademark as well. But our main skill is with the USPTO, because once you have the registration, it opens a lot of doors, not just on Amazon, but lets you stock products in stores like Costco and Walmart and so on.